the secret house.
Box cover Duttyberry here for another social house review. And yeah, I was going to try to get Jehneel, but for some reason she's not there, so Mega just kind of just do the show without her because
Hey, Wapen, he can't do this without me. Talk to me.
so loud. Why are you talking so loud? Like, is it because the people telling you that them love you on the last review?
Is it because of that now why you have this new energy?
I saw me stay overall, but trust me, I see the comments them. I love you guys too. Mwah. Big up on yourself, Wapen. Welcome back.
Yeah. So I found out something now. Since you go to the social house review, you need to put on your little church book.
Hold on, Berry.
Oh.
Hello, people.
Oh! No. So are you trying to steal my style? Is it? No. Honestly. Listen. Like, what is this?
Why we look alike?
No, what is this? The only thing now you're missing is like actually a glasses. I'm just glad that she have a glasses because no, I can't really, kind of own my look because you can't.
Do this and beat me. Do this for me and beat me.
No, Jehneel, no.
Hi.
Say no at this point in time.
Box cover.
Open, ow.
Box cover.
Ow. So you and me and you and me?
Yeah.
Oh, we can do one of them show here like, okay, we're gonna switch body right now.
Yeah,
can we switch body?
No.
Okay, we're gonna just like, do the look like them Disney show there? Alright, so 1, 2, 3.
Box cover, welcome back, guys. It's Duttyberry.
And it's your girl Jehneel.
I don't behave like that.
I was just trying to replicate your laugh. Anyway, let's get into the social house review for episode 3. So now, first up, episode 3. Why they have for so long? Why they have for so long? Like honestly, almost an hour, I'm gonna make my little job and Jehneel job right here, so reviewing the show just so much more complicated, right?
I said I'm stressed out. Oh, it's long for China?
Long till you bend like banana.
It could have got moving, could have
Oh my
intermission.
God.
Jesus.
I swear it says on Netflix, I'm moving me and watch. I swear to God.
Well, anyway, so the show will start off now and...
But it was fun. Don't forget that part there.
Yeah. So the show start off now and basically they were given the instruction to show up to the location so Rush can give them the challenge. Now first off, Rush appear on the screen now. What do you think about him outfit? We kind of know Rush is a...
Listen to me. Rush on point.
Yeah.
You see your outfit? The shirt with your name on it? Rush on point.
Yeah.
You see your pants with the fire blazing? At your at. Bad your bad. Yeah.
No, Rush pay for the promo there.
Huh?
No, if Rush pay me for the promo, just tell me I'm done,
Him just nice. The boy come out in that. Listen, him simple still, but yet still him bossy. You understand
never
me?
hear you big me up so yet, Jehneel. Honestly, all my life,
Mary, look how I post
never hear Jehneel.
Mary, me post you on my page and my story. And when you go on, you keep, look.
It's okay. Look like I only one Rush rate. My name Russian, My name Russian too, but I just say go man, and so you just sell me out. Look how they are twin and I saw you go on. We are give them Nino and Shanzi and them little vibes there and watch you. I saw you do me right now, Jehneel. But anyway, let's get into some of the outfit. I like what Rush have on. I like some of him name. I wonder, did he buy the shirt like that?
No, I print
I print him and sew it in. What do you think? What you bet and say? Like, what you say? Can you comment down below? Do you think that was how the shirt was found or him customize the shirt like that? What do you think?
Rush, yes, say Rush, sew it. I sew him.
I get somebody here like do the needle and thread.
I think I sew him name pan it.
But I never know say it was a fire pants. I thought it was like Aki. No. I thought it was
the... Okay, and seriously, Aki...
Trivia. Aki is the national what of Jamaica?
The national dish of Jamaica.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna keep that moving. We're gonna keep it moving right along now. So yeah, man. So Rush, he got the participants there of the social house. All 6 of them. Yeah, man. And then Rush started off by giving them the instructions. Now, you know what killed me? It was the way when he give them the instructions, Rush was like a primary school teacher, and all of them are there as just the loyal students, them there. When Rush they give the instructions, they were just like,
First place receives 100 points. Second place receives
50 points.
Third place receives
25.
And if you don't complete the challenge,
so you're going to clean up the class,
Yes, sir.
and you're going to do your homework on time.
Yes, sir.
And I want to ensure that at 3 p.m., you are going to leave the class and head to your abode. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Konnichiwa.
You stress your high school in there.
No, they were so, let me say, no man, Rush, you are gathering the children.
I love this group. So,
Yeah.
He gave them the instruction now for the grab and go challenge. Now, first of all, you know the food groups them?
Wow, that's a great question.
As I said, I left school long time, so I'm not going to remember.
You can't name them now?
I can.
Here.
Egg, fish.
Egg is the food group?
Huh?
Huh?
This is not what I planned.
Okay, so we're just gonna move right along. So who did you think was You wanna make your teacher them to the one year?
Fully done.
Back of the class, man.
Yeah, man. So who did you think was going to do the best and the worst at this challenge?
Listen,
From its start, when it ears to them give it, who do you think was going to do the best and the worst?
All right, best. Well, remember talk.
Yeah, they expect.
Tan, don't underestimate that girl.
Wait.
Tan travels. Yes, me did.
So Tan, she was your favorite to win this?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk. Me the things that Ethan did, I would do good at this. Because I feel like him know him way around kitchen, so I think him probably would have known, and him got Arden. And they expect say, Arden people, you know?
Tan go school.
Oh yeah, true too. And then me I expect probably the least, me did actually have Lee. Me did actually have Lee if you probably not do so well at this challenge.
Really?
So since you don't want to call name, that is how I saw it. So first up now, they gave.
Why you make me look so like me?
No man, why you saying yourself? The first person up was Rebel.
Yeah.
go. Mercy said no.
Yo, when Rebel start off, Rebel must say Jesus Christ, but they have like a faith in a Rebel, and Rebel I tell me say, yo, she don't back at the class.
Come on, I listen too much. Back at the class song.
Mr.
Rebel! No feel no way, sis. You is me and me is you.
We're all a part of God's body.
Oh God, Jesus. Like me, you know what's funny? When them give out the challenge, me say as soon as me I watch the show, me start Google. You Google too? Yo, me say as the show starts after me.
I swear to
Make
God,
sure you
me
go check.
Google.
Come
Come here, say, listen to my people, me nah
Yeah,
go
but-
behave like that little
Yeah, man, like,
out
yeah,
of
man.
chest, sir.
Whenever they on a school challenge
yeah,
quiz
man,
team.
so,
Whenever they on a school challenge quiz team.
Yeah.
I didn't know a little stuff though about the dairy. When they remember the dairy.
Me just gonna be
And the fats and aisles, that would have forget me. But I remember like little fruit and vegetables. I remember like little bread, little, and little protein like piece of chicken, but like with the, would remember.
Alright.
Yeah. But anyway, so Rebel Daddy I do our thing now,
Also? Right?
Yeah.
So me think should do good enough though. What kill me?
Yeah, you did okay, Rebel.
What killed
you
me?
Did okay.
What killed me though is the fact that Rush Cam, did I run right through the wall of the contestants? Them
Rush
like,
not tired.
Let me say no, honestly.
Come. Whoa.
Rush supposed to have some points on the leaderboard right now. Physically doing these challenges with them. You know when they watch other programs and the host them come in and be like, all right guys, your challenge is to walk to half a tree. Bye. That's
yeah.
it. No, them
Rush
have
them
Rush
back to
there. Rush, can we petition for Rush get some points on the leaderboard?
Yes, he needs
Because
to.
right now,
Yes, I swear to God, you deserve it.
You deserve it. If up there,
Bad, you bad.
What it kill me is like, why everybody did have it say, Rebel never there gonna know the 5 food groups them. Like, you didn't hear what Tanya say? You didn't hear what Tanya Travel say?
Rebel may have had a little bit of a problem just because I feel like she might not know the food groups.
Why everybody feel like Rebel never there gonna know it? But the girl,
Why?
She pushed through. Even though Russian laugh after her, but she pushed through.
Yeah.
So second up for the challenge, who was next name?
Perry.
Oh, Perry went up now.
Yes.
What do you think about Perry's attempt?
In 3, 2, 1. We're running. Let's go.
Wow. Food
The running. Let's go, people.
Perry, they try to build a song with food court.
No, yeah. No, a food group. Food group, Jehneel, come on.
The running. Let's go, people. Food group.
Sorry, man.
Can you say food group 18 times?
Why
Try
am I
say.
gonna do this?
Try,
Yeah,
try,
why?
man. Say food group 18
Me just
times.
slip up, me think a court.
No, man,
Food
your
court.
mouth in a joining
All
up from
right.
the whole shoot.
Food
Jehneel
group,
Jehneel mouth in a joining up from the whole entire shoot. Try say it, you know?
Food group.
Curse. I just want you to, aye.
But to come out.
Never angled it to 100%, but in power through it. In power through it, he was a
You
trooper.
did your thing. You did your thing, Perry.
Oh my God.
So after Perry, who was next?
Chad.
Oh yeah, so what did you think before about Chad's chances? Me think him never do good.
Yeah, man, Chad.
He's the youngest.
Me not doubt you one bit, Chad.
Yeah.
Me not doubt you one bit. You're
Yeah.
dead. You're dead.
Yeah.
3, 2.
When Chad step in with like the cap on him head, you know, me I say, why him look like the 2 youth them from out of Pokemon?
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
You know I wanna be the very, like him have the item still, something like the cap, me say, the only thing I expect Chad for do is like, Pikachu, I choose you. Yo, him have
The more you talk, I more me
True,
see,
him have
for
the
real.
animated face like Ash. Ash him name in a Pokemon.
No, man.
Yeah, man, him have one of them little something face. I'ma say him just determined and courageous. I'ma say, yeah.
But you know what oil? I'm not seeing any oil.
5 food.
Him gonna do it to him, you know?
Yeah.
Him angle himself. Like, him do good enough. Him do good enough for me to understand, like, did they actually, hold on, we're going back to the Russian again. Did they train Russian to actually identify all of the food groups them? Because they need to increase in budget.
I swear
So them
to
have him as a
God.
host, and they know he's like a food dietitian, something there, after put the things them in a group. Because when they reach up on them, after cash out the stuff them, you know what I mean? I said, geez, I'm the one who say, they should have somebody there from like one of the food group association. Like the National Farmers Food Group Association, for go there and look and say, okay, this is accurate. Them have rush cam up there again and diagnose the different food them. Jesus Christ, you need a periods.
Protein,
All right.
carbs.
No, greens.
So after Chad, who came next?
It was your girl Lee.
Oh Lord God, no sir.
Lee, come here, make we talk.
Hold on, you talk for Lee because,
Cause Lee, you know, Lee behave like one of them people they at school. We just know so them come to school and them there. And them there.
yeah man, Lee energy is just like, I'm just happy to be here.
Yeah.
We just glad me included. Like, we just got through the motions. Like,
We have to just do what we have to do.
Go. That's not a run.
When I tell them Lee in the challenge and Lee have this something on her shoulder and say, them couldn't even give me a little bag.
Yes, we couldn't get a basket.
The bag on your shoulder, lady.
Rush came up to me like,
But you have to see bag up on your
why
shoulder.
don't you give me a little basket? Lee walked around, Lee was just like, toothpaste, and which food group?
Toothpaste not part of the food group. Juice are part of the food.
No. Yo, I find it genius how she just casually not care.
Don't underestimate she too, you know. Lee,
Yeah.
she have that little
Oh, so
something
yeah, look
about
out fair
her.
like later on.
Yeah,
She have
cause
that
like
little-
she, you know that them people that will save them energy like
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, she not kill up herself and start
Nah, kilo.
She pace. Wait,
Sharp.
also the tortoise and the hare. You get me like, remember the little story with the turtle and the hare where one start off and run fast and the other one Nobody ever used to read a bedtime story?
No.
Oh. Well, this is awkward.
Yeah.
Okay, moving right along?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, so then it was time now for
Yardman.
Wait.
One. Go.
Yardman Ethan, I'm waiting about Yardman.
Yardman, you the boss. You run off like bolt door.
No, Yardman was ready. You know that the song was like, I came to win. To conquer.
I came to win.
To survive. To conquer. To rise.
To fly.
Yeah. No, man.
Alright. You done?
Yeah.
Let's do self-checkout.
Like, him time did good. But like, it never really matched up the food group them. It never matched up. I feel like Yardman, you see, if you just relax and pace yourself and take a little longer time, I feel like you're the angry because everybody expect him call himself the chef in the house, you know.
Yeah.
Like Chef Boya, the other team have upon him like him TikTok and stuff, so people know him as somebody will know how to operate in one kitchen. So people expect say him do that know all of the food group them more than everybody else. But what killed me though is when Perry did say something about him is a chef with a S-H-E-F.
Whoa! I never know Ethan was a S-H-E-F. I didn't know he was a chef. I didn't know me at all Mr. S-H-E-F. When you get the joke.
Well, you get it?
Actually, I've been trying to like.
Listen,
if you
if
don't understand
anybody
the
will
joke,
get,
comment.
Just comment below. Please, me
I wonder,
not get
like, all me have the reference, like, me don't know, I wonder if I want trending meme or something.
Yes, but me don't know about, cause, you know?
Yeah, me don't know
get it. Cause me not get it, so me just, I want to know me understand that joke, so no comment below.
But who was after Yardman?
My turn.
Oh yeah, your girl.
Yes.
Yeah. No, it's a pretty excitement.
Don't make it look very, stop it right there. I don't have a favorite in the house. I love them all. Okay, man. Okay? But Miss Taylor said, Tan.
Are you a girl? Are you, that's she your
She's
for?
that girl.
Okay. Yeah, Tan went into this challenge now and I feel like said Tanya. You know, I thought should I know the food group them, but me think she should have over the budget. But coming by 4,000 and she look like she have expensive taste.
Cheesy's dairy.
So in my mind, I think it's a fair budget would have go like all $8,000 and stuff. She got took up like
Listen,
that's how woman did work. But you come close.
Yes.
She was like, I think the thing was like what, 4,000, and Tanya come was about 3,900.
Some go like 2,000
2,000 and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
I think she was
close.
She was the closest to the cutoff to the 4,000, yeah. So she was this close, but she do her thing.
She did her thing.
She did her whole entire thing now, and then who came after that? That's it.
Yeah, that was it.
So Tanya was the last thing now, and then when they came back now, and to reveal the scores now, I wonder who came last. It wasn't Perry this week. It was
Lee.
No. Lee. Why?
Lee.
If the next episode I feel like, you know, put in a little bit more enthusiasm, you know, but I'm
Come on, man, Lee. Give me a little more energy.
Yeah,
I know
man.
you got this, you know.
No,
you
because they're
got
not
this.
eliminate nobody, man. Money next week, so my sister rush out. You know, say she rush out strong.
Don't eat me
You know,
until
say
I feel like
you know,
say
say she rush out strong next week for the money. People are gonna look at her and side there and be like, oh, so no, you want to work now and look at money in there. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
She work hard for the money. So hard for the honey. Oh, I feel like my rush cam now. I sing the episode. Them.
Why, don't do that.
Next, it was Perry. Yeah, but they expect him to actually go a little bit higher still. But fifth, at least he not come dead last this week. So that
no, but they think say God knowing I'm not go run in. I'm swear say Rebel go come last. You know?
But they think so should have come dead last, but And then next was who? Who came after that?
Rebel.
Oh yeah, Rebel. She came fourth, and then it was Yardman Ethan.
Yes.
Which surprised me, cause based on when we look at film video, I think he would actually further down. But him still come third. That's not bad. That's one decent something.
Shad
Lucci, which was like wow, okay. And then of course, your girl win the challenge.
Stop doing that.
She is your favorite.
I don't have a favorite in the house. She come out last week. I'm telling her why she come out last week. You know, see the girl going at the challenge like a King Kong? Yeah, and she come out this week like a King Kong too. Some have to give what is due to Caesar. That's how your phrase go.
Yeah, that you're right. But anyway, so Tan Travels, she was declared as the winner.
Yeah.
And of course, everything was all right now. And she did her thing, and I'm just like, wow, this is nice. This show done, we can come down my bed. As me ready for say, make me go and go take my little selfie, go sign off. What come next? Now, Yardman, them have a whole other segment. They have a show within the show.
All right, so I'm feeling a little omelette vibes, and this will be the debut episode of Chef Boy Yardy.
And then all of a sudden, now me hear say Yardman is going to be cooking for everybody. So me I say, you're there at hotel, and you take up yourself a cook. Hotel where have restaurant and fair cook for everybody.
Make it make sense.
That never happen. You would have cook for everybody?
Yeah.
No, so you're saying if me in the house, you would cook little breakfast for me?
Listen to me.
Lazy.
You can't.
At least when I go.
You can get a hotel.
Yeah.
And go cook.
Yeah. No. Sorry, I'm supposed to say no. I never. Do it again so we
All
can.
right. Ready?
Yeah. Go again. Wait, hold on. Action.
You for the hotel.
Yeah.
And go cook.
No. Get somebody else to do it.
Get somebody else to do it.
I do that though. But if you cook breakfast, what do you cook? If you cook breakfast,
scrambled egg and fat cheese with toast bread.
Mother does the boiled egg. Mother does boiled egg. Them I make them.
And everybody like boiled egg.
But when I visit with them, like, may I do you a favor? Just be grateful. And that was the same energy that I thought that Ethan prepared the food and gave them.
Listen.
Even it's like, I give the food, I go to her look at razzle-dazzle. When you take one again, go and ice it away out here, and the rest of them like laugh after Ethan efforts.
And the egg wants some black pepper, man.
Yeah, give me natural ear, bubble ear.
You know what I'm saying? No thanks. There's a lot of garlic. Like, it's giving like you're trying to ward off a vampire.
What do you think about it?
Flat.
Okay.
Flat, bad. Ethan, come on.
All of our...
Yeah, I'm a gene.
All of our omelets cannot be designed about the omelets.
Wait!
Yeah, we just talk about Ethan now. As a matter of fact, you think you could have prepared the egg since you talk about the bread and egg flat? You think you could have done any better thing with your egg?
What do you mean?
You think you could? You want to challenge?
Of course, let's
You want to do one?
Come on. Right, come.
No man, this that's. No sir.
One like a courage in your look off away fire.
So what you do now? You just leave it to saute. And you just. Watch out, my egg look like a primary school years. Like you were prep. No man. This is an 876 egg. This is social. Well, we're back. I'd like for once again for the people in the comment section to just tell us who for eggs them feel like did really better. Was it my egg or Jehneel's eggs? Sound off below. Come on, Team Berry. Team Berry, come on. Come on.
Keeping up with Jehneel.
Taps and roses.
Taps and lions.
Taps
and lions, people.
Double tap the screen.
Taps and whales.
Taps and reeds.
lions.
Taps and
Come
reeds.
on, people.
Taps
Let's
and
go. Let's go. Okay.
Aren't we being influencers right now? Bomba, may I get called? Then now, as we were prepared to go to bed for so we are going to come lie down now and just call it a day now. What happened after that now?
Lord Jesus.
What happened after that now, Jenny?
No challenge, my love.
I'll play a little game right about now. It's called Bear Vibes. The real Jamaican card game.
Challenge.
Them have this challenge now, play this game now about like general knowledge and dance and something there. So they're all in the horror hotel now. And they're split into different groups now. And this is where, but not even a review, but just chat about this now because this was just too long for me going at any review. This was just too long. My first entire thing is that this was a fun game, but it was a setup.
Yeah.
Because the game, you have to live a certain amount of years on the earth before you can know them something.
This an old time game, brother. Them have quad night club in there.
I love quad. I would know quad.
Yeah, but how would I guess quad?
And everybody remember Cuddies?
Nope.
Nobody remember Cool Runnings
I
and certain
swear
references.
I never remember them something there. Like, I swear to God, can't be.
What do you mean you never remember? Jehneel is not like you're 13 years old.
I never got.
So you never live in Jamaica when Cool Runnings debut on Cuddies?
Been so long.
Like she bilingual.
Oh, you mess up, it wasn't me.
No, Lee, we are work with Lee now. Lee no warm up yet. She gonna warm up eventually, but she not warm up yet.
Lee, oh, you mess up that.
We are gonna work with Lee. Lee a warm up. No, as for that whole entire thing.
Hold on, it met me here. Or wasn't me met me here.
Guess the one you know. No! Something like it. Jesus Christ, Spice, something like it. Oh, you don't even know. Jesus, Pim, Jehneel, give me one right now. Gotcha. Upset. Get upset, am I right? Yes. So, yo, you can't. It's easier. What?
All right, one next one.
A Valiant. Nurses. A Valiant. Nurses. I can't remember the name of the song coming in that way, but it's a Valiant.
Alright,
So I'm telling you, you can't come.
Alright, let me go out. Try me again. Come into my
Bomba, watch Godly. Watch Godly.
Lord
Bomba. Alright. Let me see if I know the rest now. Let me see if I know the rest.
Come in
Bombat.
to stay.
Bombat? Yo, you want a clash? You don't want a clash for church? You don't want to church? Hold on.
Alright, back in the church?
You don't know the
Alright,
one.
ready.
You don't know the one here.
Alright.
As the deer panted for the waters of my
soul
longing.
Alright, yeah, you know that one. Alright.
Find another one now.
Enter my chambers, be free, Holy Spirit. Speak to me gently as I close.
I wanna be where you are, dwelling in your presence. What?
Alright.
Sita.
Carry your candle.
Bombard.
Run through the darkness.
I want him that. Okay, work with it now. Run through the sing it up. Oh, bless.
Hurt me.
Alright, I'm going for another hymn.
Just
Another hymn now. Who precious. Oh, holy.
Mary tapping a song of
Holy is the Lamb.
Chico, you go back in the church. Back in the church.
Lamb of God. All that.
Alright. Sita.
Yeah, alright, ready?
Sita,
we can go praise and worship if you want.
You want to go there, sir? I just say you want to go?
Yo, are you ready for praise and worship?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Blessings and honor, glory and power be unto the ancients of days. You want the dancing segment?
Yeah, come now.
You want the dancing segment?
Come.
My head, my shoulder, my
knees, my toes.
My head, my shoulder, my knees, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes.
God made them all.
But you can't go another dancing song.
Yeah,
you don't know another dancing church song.
Go on, Berry.
Well, man, Around the wall of Jericho, around the wall of Jericho, around the wall of deep and wide, deep and wide, there's a bomb, deep and wide, from the side, yo, that's it. That's it. Win, competition done.
Yeah, done.
Competition done.
Done, yeah.
Yo, you realize we'll repeat the social host because we give them an episode within an episode within an episode. So we give them a review within a review within a review.
Yeah.
And when they reach out to the in the end now, Tan Travels group, which was Uptown Badness. Well, big up the name there.
Listen, I'm not taking no taxi, period.
Yeah. So they lost and Tan Travels, boy, I don't know what boy, Tan. But you know the love with Tan should have backed down from a challenge.
Anyway, one already to our move. One already to our move. One already. Hey. One already to our move. Half a tree.
She is fearless.
That's and that's.
She have the missing ingredient where Lee want. Like the thing they for just.
And it's. That.
Yeah. That is what she need. Like, but we just wish she kind of, you know. But like, can you load taxi? Can I hear you?
Yes.
Let me hear you do it. Hold on.
Ready?
Yes. So I'm a somebody walking. Hold on. I'm just walking.
Uptown bad people.
Yeah. Show them how it's done. So I'm just somebody walking through the Kingston.
I'm there making a lot of money. Need to get.
Half a tree. Downtown. Half a tree?
Yes, half a tree.
Come right over here, sir. Oh. One already. Over here, sir. I move now. Move. One already.
You can calculate the fear of them though?
Yeah.
No, I can't do it. That was usually my struggle. I used to take like coaster bus.
Yeah.
I used to always go in at the middle seat. It's emotional. Can I talk?
No.
When I used to take like the coaster. When I used to take the coaster buses, they would put me on the middle seat, and when it was time to collect the fares, I was a person who had to calculate the change for my row.
Oh my God!
I'm not good at math.
Oh, you never drop me calculator.
Sometimes them give me the money, I'm gonna know who forget $20.
Where was the calculator?
But in my uniform, I couldn't make them know I go to school and dance. You want to see me if you turn one side? With the change. You have to turn one side sometimes when I go so. Sometimes I feel like I give them the money, so I wait like me the $50. And I give them and I say, alright, just some of them would have nice, like I kind of give them the money and them say, alright, just give me the $30 out. I'm like, but you say 80, man.
Oh my God, thank God, never sit down in a middle.
Coming in at the middle like you, them give the you know how much trauma got through that?
I know, that's why
sometimes I give the people them more money and I get back my change.
Oh
because
my
just
God, Berry.
It was rough. It was rough. But anyway, I think this is on that note that we're going to end this review video.
Yes.
How you think we did? We think we did well?
We did well. If you think we did well, just comment below.
Down below.
Down below.
Well, that is it, people, for this social post review of episode
3. Really, Berry?
Sorry.
That's the
So you don't want to plug yourself?
Give me my glasses.
You know how people stay, and before we started filming, she farted. I didn't want to.
Oh my God! Get your
I didn't.
We out, but see y'all next week.
We're not done. Viewers, I do apologize for the carrying on of my co-host Jehneel. It will not happen again.
You said that.
Now we are going to close out the show in the standard way. Hi there. I am Duttyberry. Thank you so much.
Why would you tell him that? All right.
Thank you so much for watching this review of The Social House. I am Duttyberry and
I'm your girl keeping up with Jehneel.
Please to follow us at TheDuttyBerryshow right here.
And keeping up with Jehneel.
On all our social media.
Yes.
Do take care. Until next time.
Stay blessed, guys. We love you. You tell him I'm fall for you, Berry?
Yeah, but they really poop.
So why you would I tell him?
You're lucky.
That's just so disrespectful.
Just imagine if they smell it. And that if it work more.